How often should I reset my Haier washing machine?
Hello there, and welcome to our guide on resetting your Haier washing machine. This video will provide clear and concise instructions on how to properly reset your machine, as well as answer the often asked question, how often should you do it?
Why would you need to reset your Haier washing machine?
Resetting your Haier washing machine is a simple process that can help to resolve minor issues with the appliance. If you've noticed any irregularities with its operation, such as error messages, the machine not starting, or unusual noises, a reset may be a good first step before resorting to calling a technician.
How to reset your Haier washing machine?
To reset your Haier washing machine, first ensure that the machine is switched off. Unplug it from the wall socket, then wait for about 1 minute. After this time, plug the washing machine back in and switch it on. It's as simple as that. Remember, safety first. Always make sure your hands are dry when unplugging and plugging the washing machine to avoid any electric shocks.
How often should you reset your Haier washing machine?
Resetting your Haier washing machine is not something that needs to be done regularly. It should only be performed if you are experiencing problems with the machine. It is not a maintenance task, but rather a troubleshooting step. If issues persist after a reset, it would be advisable to contact Haier's customer service or a professional appliance repair technician. And there we have it. You now know how and when to reset your Haier washing machine. Remember, resetting is a great first step when troubleshooting minor issues, but it's not a regular maintenance task. If problems persist, don't hesitate to reach out to a professional. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in maintaining the performance of your Haier washing machine.